Alright guys, welcome. We are asked to simplify each of the following by collecting like terms. And it's good to note that the A, B, and C expressions, algebraic expressions that we have here, they are separate expressions. Now, we quickly dive into our questions by writing solution. Copy out the expression we're given in A. We have 4xy plus 3xz minus 6zy minus 6zx plus 2yx. Quickly, we collect like terms. Collect like terms. Collect like terms. Hence we have 4xy plus 3xz minus 6zy minus 6zx plus 2yx equal to 4xy. We have a like term of 2yx, which is the same thing as plus 2xy. Next we have plus 3xz, and we have minus 6zx, which is the same thing as minus 6zx. Yeah, we have minus 6zx. And lastly, we have minus 6yz. Solving further, we have 4xy plus 2xy gives us 6xy. Plus 3xz minus 6xz gives us minus 3xz. We'll bring down minus 6yz. And this gives us our answer for the A part of the question. Now we'll move quickly to the B part. We are given minus 3a plus 4ab plus 2a minus 4b. Now we're asked to collect like terms, hence we quickly write below here. Collect like terms. Let me see how I can quickly scroll down in order for us to have more space to continue with our solving. All right, I think this is enough. Now, continue with our solving. Quickly note down the algebraic expression we're given so we can forge ahead to collect like terms. We have minus 3a plus 4ab plus 2a minus 4ba equal to minus 3a. We have a like term of plus 2 there. We have plus 2a plus 2a plus 4ab. Next we have minus 4ba, which is the same thing as minus 4ab minus 4AB. Solving further, we have minus 3A plus 2A gives us minus A. Next we have plus 4AB minus 4AB gives us 0, so both cancel out of our expression, and we're left with minus A as our answer. Now, last part of our question, we have C, 3RST minus 7STR plus 8TS minus 4RT plus 2ST. Now we are asked to collect like terms, so we quickly write down collect like terms. Note our equation again, 3RST minus 7STR plus 8TS minus 4RT plus 2ST. Hence we have 3RST minus 7RST plus 8ST plus 2ST minus 4RT. Solving further, we have this to be equal to 3RST minus 7RST give us minus 4RST. Next we have plus 8ST plus 2ST gives us plus 10ST. Lastly, we bring down minus 4RT. So we have the answer here as minus 4RST plus 10ST minus 4RT. Thank you for watching.